Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas and Argyle, Texas. 2020 5500 cab and chassis. As you can see, it's missing a piece, but nevertheless, this guy is going to put on something really cool. This is going to be a full restoration for one of our clients. We're doing the Clearbrow on his hood, up on the rooftop. We're taking those lights off. We're going to cover his A-pillars and then these big flares. So I just want to show the world out there what Clearbrow North Dallas does. We take out stuff like this so we can wrap all the way in. As you can see, here's a little piece here that will fold under, and then the 5500 emblem will go back over. We wrap all these corners. This is all done, this hood. Everything is wrapped. Everything's done perfectly. All these edges wrap. We don't use channels or cutouts to achieve the corner. We can handle that. We wrap all the way around. Everything perfectly seamless, no adhesive marks anywhere, no markings from pulling on the bra. Everything just looks like it should, invisible. So there you go. There's the complete edge, wrapped around. And again, no adhesive marks on any of these challenging areas. Everything's perfectly laid in and wrapped inside. So when we put the cap back on, it looks great. And for those out there that want an image of the cap, sorry about the camera, but this is obviously for the Ram people. This is what's gonna go here. So when it goes in place, there is seriously no lines. This hood doesn't even look as if it was done. And that's what we want. So finishing up over here on this M5 comp, another full wrap, perfectly done, all edges wrapped. And outside we got a few more little goodies. But if you're looking for a seamless wrap, all the edges rolled in, let us know. Clearbrow, North Dallas, Ram 5500 cab and chassis under construction by one of our clients. Take care.